Almost done. Just one more screw. Whew, I'm tired, but I'm happy.
Tom is sleeping peacefully under the moonlight.
These wheels are perfect for tomorrow.
Morning sunlight slowly fills the room.
What is that? Wow, what am I seeing? Wait, is that a car bed? The wheel is shiny and cool. I want to get inside now. This is my steering wheel. Vroom vroom, I'm driving fast.
He loves it. That makes me proud.
This is amazing. I'm a race car driver.
The toy wheels spin quickly.
I'm going even faster now.
Ha ha. Be careful, Tom.
The bedroom door opens slowly.
Oh, what is that? It looks really fun. This is mine. I'm playing. Can I come in? Wow, a car bed. No, you cannot play.
Light lo-fi beat enters.
Oh, that hurts.
Gently. Very consistent.
Oh, what is happening?
Melody changes.
Is everything okay?
Still calm and minimal.
Come here, Anna.
I want to play alone. That's not fair. I'm leaving. I don't need anyone. This is my room.
The hallway is quiet and empty.
I know you feel sad. I have something for you.
What is it? Wow, a remote control car. Thank you, Mom. I will play here. The car moves slowly. I hear something. This feels boring. Let's go faster. Oops. Oh no! The wheel fell off. My car is broken. I don't know what to do. What happened? Are you okay? Let me see. I think I can fix it. I need to push it slowly. Okay, I'm watching. I will try again. It works. Thank you, Tom. Do you want to play with me? Come sit here. Okay, yes. Let's play together. The car is going to your room. Welcome to the garage. We'll push the bed. I will drive the car. Haha, this is fun. I will fix it again. Now I drive. High five.
Look at them.
They are happy.
Playing together is better.
Yes, it is.
You can use my car. Thank you. You can sit on my bed. Really? Now you drive the car. Okay. This feels good. Yes.
The lights grow soft. The toys rest quietly.
Good night, kids.
Sleep well.
Good night. Good night.
The parents walk away. The room is calm and quiet.